Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to Shubham Pearls. Today we have come up with a live video of all the bangles collection. So let's start the Hi Andy Kalyani garu namaskaram. Let's start. So many people ఇవాళ చాలా మంది అడిగారు ఈ డిజైన్ కోసం. So this is an openable bangle kada. చూడండి. అపర్ణ గారు నమస్కారం అండి. వీడియో క్లియర్ ఉందా అందరికీ? దిస్ ఇస్ ఓపెనబుల్ బ్యాంగిల్ అండి. పేర్ వస్తుంది. పేర్ ఈస్ 1400 రూపీస్ మేడం. ఫ్రీ షిప్పింగ్ అక్రాస్ ఇండియా. వీ హ్యావ్ 24, 26, 28 అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ దిస్. So anyone wants, they can take a screenshot and reach us on our WhatsApp number 9030271018. Price is 1400. This is one more design, Lakshmi Devi design. Lakshmi Devi design with flowers. This price is 590 rupees only. Free shipping across India. Antique polish. Monisha garu, we have so many black beads andi. You can check our gallery or use the keyword SPJ black beads or SPJ Mangal Sutra. You'll get all the designs andi. This is one more design in bangles. Price is 590 rupees. And check this piece. Lakshmi Devi with Kempu stone bangle andi. Again the price is 610 rupees. శాంతి గారు జాలీ వర్క్ నెక్లెస్ ఏదైనా ఫోటో లేదా ఏదైనా ఉంటే పంపిస్తే వీ కెన్ హెల్ప్ యూ మేడం. ఇలా అయితే చెప్పడం చాలా కష్టం. ప్రైస్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఇస్ 610 రూపీస్ మ్యామ్. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ డిజైన్. వెరీ ప్రెటీ 4 pieces of bangle. Jayashree garu, there are not many orders in 22 and majorly 24, 26, 28 are running designs, running sizes. 28 ఒక 100 pieces ఆర్డర్ చేస్తే అందులో ఒక్కటో రెండో ఆర్డర్స్ వస్తాయి మేడం. సో మెయింటైనింగ్ 22 is very difficult. See, these are 4 pieces of bangle. Definitely I'll do a video for 22 and 210. I have noted that ma'am. Definitely I'll do one video on 22 and 210 sizes. See, this is 4 bangles. Price is 1200 rupees. Kempu. You can take 2 bangles also. Golden polish. Price will be 650. No madam, all the bangles that we are posting are only gold polish madam. We don't sell matte polish. We sell only gold polish. Daily wear bangles we don't have sir. We don't deal in daily wear item. Then we have red color also in this. This is red color. Price for 4 pieces, 2 pairs is 1200 rupees. Available in 24, 26, 28. If you are taking 2 pieces, the price is 650 rupees per pair. Shanti garu, sure madam, give us some time madam. Live video ayaka I'll check and update you madam. Akila garu, you can definitely visit our store. We'll be happy to serve madam. Our store is located near Charminar. You can use Google Maps. Directly Shubham Pearls and Jewelry is available on Google Maps. You can use that. This is one more madam. Seized stones, golden polish, floral design. If you don't want Lakshmi or peacock, then you can take this design. Price is 900 rupees per pair, free shipping across India Andy. Then coming to the next design. Same design, this is a red color Andy. Again the price is 900 rupees. 24, 26, 28, all the sizes are available Andy. Polish is the difference madam. Color gold unte gold polish color vastundi madam. Matte polish unte matte color vastundi. But majorly my customer wants only gold polish. So we maintain only gold polish. We don't maintain matte polish. And matte polish lo koncham color issue vastundi madam. చూపెట్టేది ఒకలా ఉంటుంది, వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఒకలా ఉంటుంది బికాస్ ఆఫ్ లైటింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్. సో వాట్ వీ డూ ఇస్ వీ మెయింటైన్ ఓన్లీ గోల్డెన్ పాలిష్ మేడం. వీ డోంట్ మెయింటైన్ మ్యాట్ పాలిష్. సీ దిస్ పీస్, చాలా ట్రెండింగ్ పీస్ ఉండే ఒక టైంలో, స్టిల్ ట్రెండింగ్ మేడం. ద ప్రైస్ 850 rupees is the price. We have two colors. This is no madam, we are selling only golden polish. There is no matte polish. If there is anything matte, I'll specifically tell that it is matte. Then a green color kuda undi indulo. Radhika garu namaskaram. 22 size is not available. 24, 26, 28 are available ma'am. If there is anything specifically in 22, I will specify, but right now we don't have in 22 ma'am. See this piece again. The price is 850 rupees. We have 24, 26, 28. This is very pretty and a openable bangle. See, the price is 1300 rupees for this pair bangle, openable. Price is 1300 rupees. Shanti garu, stones that are used can be used in gold ante I cannot explain in that thing madam. Yeah, you can use that, but people who are trying to buy gold, they will not think about stones madam, because stone will not cost much. This is Ram Parivar bangle andi. Ram Parivar bangle price 699, available in 24, 26, 28. Yes madam, today we have come up only with bangles madam. No ma'am, we don't have anything for kids right now. Ram Parivar bangle, price is 699. When you buy some jewelry worth rupees lakhs, like any set you make, a choker you make, it will take minimum 10 tolas, which is almost 70-80 grams minimum. So when you are paying 5 to 6 lakh rupees, 5-6,000 but stone discount will not be an issue madam. Star bangle madam, scissor stone, 4 pieces, 1100 rupees ma'am. One pair 600 rupees ma'am. Available in 24, 26, 28. All the sizes are available right now. See this ruby stone bangle, price 690 rupees, golden polish, available in 24, 26, 28. Anyone wants to order, they can take a screenshot, madam. CZ stone bangle అండి, డిజైన్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. 990 for 4 bangles. 4 bangles at just 990 rupees. Available in 24, 26, 28. Lakshmi bangle. See, this is also one very pretty piece andi. My collection lo one of the super pieces this is. The price is 1100 rupees. See, sorry, the price is 999 rupees for a pair. Free shipping across India. Price is 999 only. Free shipping across India. If anyone wants to order, they can take a screenshot. Then Lakshmi Devi bangle design andi. Price is 699 rupees. See, idi golden polish with little of geru touch andi. To highlight Lakshmi Devi design, just we have given that touch. You can check clear ga chupistanu, so things will be very clear. Idigondi. This 699 rupees per pair, free shipping across India. Coming to next, we have kadas andi. This is a 3 designs kada we have. It is around 599 to 6. We have 4 designs, madam. This is first design, not openable. These are all not openable bangle type andi. Price is around 600 to 610 rupees untundi. 24, 26, 28 are the sizes that are available. Golden polish. First type of kada. Then this second design of kada. This is around 599 to 610 rupees sir pair. Then this is third design. And then this is fourth design. The kada prices are around 599 to 610 rupees. This is one bangle, peacock golden polish bangle. Pair is around 640 rupees. Free shipping across India. You can take a screenshot if you want to order. Then coming to Kempu stone and this is very pretty. Kempu stone golden polish. The price is 1180 rupees. Free shipping across India. We have 24, 26, 28. All the three sizes are available in this. Is all golden polish. 1180 is the price. You can take a screenshot. Kempu stone with CZ stones. Then coming to our very favorite pieces. These are kada, more in demand. Many people are demanding this. These are openable type, screw openable pair. This costs around 1190, 1200, 1210 rupees. This first design. Tejasvi garu, I did not understand what do you mean by work. Yes ma'am, we do have few designs in diamond polish also madam, not many. But today we have made a session only for this golden polish bangles. You can take a screenshot if you want this. The price is around 1190 to 1210 rupees ma'am. We have 3 to 4 designs in this. We'll show the designs, you can check. These are all openable, screw openable ma'am. See, we have a screw here. Open the screw. And it comes this way. You can see the finishing inside also. It is all jali work done. And check this design. We don't have sizes more in this design ma'am. We have only limited 2.8 size in this, or 2.4 size in this. But this is also very pretty design. This is also openable screw type. Then we have this design also. Then this pair of bangles. These are also very pretty ma'am. The price is 675 rupees only, just 675 rupees. Floral design, golden polish, looks like a real bangle itself. So don't miss. For order you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. Our details are here. These are our details. 9030271018. This is a parcel moving out of the store on order. We don't have antique designs in bangles madam. We have regular designs only. Kind of designs which we have shown you. These are our details. You can reach us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone.